Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. To my returning subscribers, I thank you again for all the love and the support. I have a new Balenciaga bag. It has been a moment since I have got a new handbag by Balenciaga, and if you are a frequent subscriber and you watch my channel often, then you know I love the brand. Some things they release a little bit questionable, but in general, huge fan. So I saw this on Farfetch and I had to pick it up. And you also know I love Farfetch. So if you have not shopped the Farfetch site, you definitely need to. They are essentially a global platform. They connect you to hundreds of boutiques, designers, contemporary brands, larger department stores, all worldwide. So you go onto the site, enter in whatever you're looking for, and you're like 99.9% guaranteed to find it. And you're probably gonna find it at a better price than other sites. I stock it daily because they have this link and you click on it and it says new in today, and it shows you everything basically that they have brought in the past 24 hours. So that's why I'm on the site daily. But I think the main reason why I love it is, other than the fact that essentially I find everything that I'm looking for on that site, the shipping is super quick. I'm here in Canada, so most of the items are coming to me from overseas. The shipping takes like 2 to 3 days typically, and everything that you see on the final page where it says order total includes all your duties, your taxes, customs, everything. And because I am working with Farfetch again, that means I have a new discount code, so I will link it somewhere here as well as in the description box. There are some T's and C's, some brand exclusions, although these brands are included with the discount. So I link that down below. Go check out the site. They have so many contemporary brands, luxury brands, sustainable, eco-friendly brands, anything that you're looking for, you can basically find on that site. Okay, let's get to unboxing. I'm talking too much. This came to me from concessions in the Netherlands. It took 3 days to reach me here in Vancouver, Canada. So again, shipping is insanely fast. This is brand new. I saw this on the Balenciaga site, and then obviously I went to Farfetch and I was like, oh, do they have it? And they did. I am addicted. Love this. Look at this. So this is called the Signature BB logo tote bag. Sorry, now it's gonna be all blown out. You know I love me a good tote bag. I love mini bags. It's either mini or large. Like, there's no in between. So this is part of, I believe, the fall winter collection from Balenciaga. So on their website, they were showing both colorways, but they're advertising the other one a little bit more, which is, I'll include a picture so you get a better idea. But it was like a beige kind of camel, and then the logoing was black. So it was a little bit more sort of in your face with the logoing, whereas this one, as you can see, it just has Balenciaga there, and then it's black, and then it has like a light gray type of logo, and it also has the silver hardware, where I believe on the other one it was a gold hardware. But I just love this. I love just how, like, it's Balenciaga obviously and it says BB, but I think that it's a little bit more subtle than the camel color. And they have another one where the branding is a little bit bigger. I'll include pictures so you can see it all, but this one just spoke to me. This handbag looks like it's made kind of from a leather fabric, but it's actually coated canvas, which is amazing because I know it's gonna be durable, but as well in Vancouver, because it rains, I don't know, like 300 days out of the year, this is going to be perfect. On the Farfetch website, this is under the Positively Conscious section as well. So what that means is that they've paired up with the Good On You app or the Good On You website, and they look at how sustainable a brand is and the materials that it's made out of. And so this one is rated as positively conscious, which is amazing. So going over the bag really quickly, as you can kind of see, the handles don't stay up. They actually flop down like that, which I kind of like. That just means that the handles also won't get kind of warped or misshapen. I like that about it. And then it just, like I said, says Balenciaga. It has a logo, it has the silver hardware. I just hit myself in the face with the handle. The bottom part here has no feet, and then the inside, looking at it, it has one really large zippered pocket, which has all the authenticity cards and everything in there. And then on the other side, this is like my Paris City's Tote I have by them. There's like another really large pocket, which I appreciate. And then there is also on the bottom here, there's kind of like a base shaper. So you can take this out and then the bag just becomes a little bit more smushy. Whereas if you were to keep this in, this would just provide a little bit of shape, but also some structure on the bottom. The closure on the handbag, which I can appreciate, has this little hook right there, so you can kind of cinch it. While it doesn't offer like 100% security if you are traveling with it, I do like that it is there because most tote bags don't have that. I think this is going to be amazing for the fall and winter, but as well for all season. Honestly, when you have just a black tote bag, you can use it anytime. For reference, I have my St. Louis tote here by Goyard. You can kind of see the size difference. The Goyard is a little bit, I think, taller and a little bit wider. This is just a little bit more structured too. But the reason why I really like the Balenciaga is you can probably tell that the strap drop is about an inch longer on the Balenciaga. So the issue I always have with this one is that the strap drop, like putting it on and off, is really awkward. Whereas with this Balenciaga one, it's easy to just go like this and to slip it over. Like you don't need to sort of readjust or use two hands to do so. So I love this, but such a stunning handbag. Price all in, including customs, taxes, duties, was 1,450 Canadian for this. And you can use my discount code and save yourself some extra cash on it. But I'm just so excited to use her. I think that it's just a perfect bag for the fall, honestly. Like, look at this. It's beautiful. And like I said, it rains so much here in Vancouver that I know I'm gonna get so much use out of this bag. So the next time I picked up are a pair of boots by the brand Camper. So these are essential for fall. I'm gonna go through some more items that I'm gonna be using throughout the season in my essentials, but a pair of waterproof boots, especially living in Vancouver, or if you live in a place where there's a lot of snow, you need it. It's a necessity. So like I said, they're by the brand Camper. This actually shipped to me from the Camper warehouse in Spain. 3-day shipping. I like this. This is cute. It says, walk, don't run. And these are amazing. So I have tried these on. Obviously, when I first got them, I tried them on to see if they fit. So these are the boots here. They are called the Brutus boots. And they are, when I tell you this, I'm not joking. These are the lightest boots ever. I don't know how they've made these so light, but they are. And when I say they're so comfortable, you have to believe me. Like, I tried these on when I first got them just to make sure that the size fit okay. These are so comfortable and easy to get on. I'm amazed by that. I feel like I need to get like 5 more boots or like shoes from this brand. But so they have the smooth leather, and then they have this elasticized part here, so it's easy to get on. And then there's some detailing here, as you can kind of see. The sole, super light, and it's not like a very high heel either. I think it's only like, I think that's maybe about an inch, but they are amazing. And this is also under the positively conscious range for Farfetch. So it says here that the leather has been produced in an audited and certified leather working group tannery and scored according to a 3-tier system. So this actually helps to reduce the environmental impact of production. So I am so happy that both my items were rated positively conscious, but I got these in a size European 38, which is generally my standard size. Whenever I'm going by European sizing, I'm always a 38. I'm generally about a 7 and a half. These fit perfectly. So they are just so light and so comfortable. I'm honestly amazed. My friend actually got me onto this brand. She bought a pair of sandals. They're also called the Brutus sandals, and she was wearing them. I was like, what are those? I need those. They're beautiful. But because we're going into fall, I just decided to get the boots, and I'm so happy with them. And the price point of these, including import, taxes, everything, I paid $200 Canadian. Continuing on with fall essentials, and because we're talking about shoes, I have to show you these as well. I showed them to you last week if you watched my video, but these are the Ugg Tasman, and they are made from the beautiful sort of suede. It has this nice little detailing there. And these are slippers, so they are meant for either indoor or outdoor wear. I have worn these once out, so that's why I'm trying not to touch the bottom. I did kind of give them a little bit of a clean, but I love these. I'm not a huge fan of, I guess, like the traditional Ugg boots, but these I can definitely get behind. I just think that this extra like detail there makes them look a little bit cooler, and they are super comfortable. I got my true size 38 and they fit perfectly. On to some outerwear pieces. Because our fall here in Vancouver hasn't been extremely cold yet, I haven't busted out any of my winter jackets, but this is the Aritzia Super Puff vest in the shorty style. So this one is more cropped, as you can kind of see there. I'll try and include some videos or pictures as well, but it's a little bit more cropped. It's a boxier cut with like shoulders that come out a little bit more. To me, it's just a cooler cut than the regular vest, but that's my own personal opinion. So like I said, because the falls here in Vancouver, or the fall season here in Vancouver, isn't that chilly, I find that wearing a vest over something like this, which is the T&A Butter Limit Zip Up, is like perfect right now. Obviously, when it gets cooler, you can also layer this over top of other types of jackets, but for now, this has been amazing, and I really do like, I love the Super Puff like range from Aritzia. It's so good. And so you know I love something when I have multiples of it, or when I talk about it frequently. So I use a lot of SPF. I've been using SPF for years. I think it's one of the things that the major thing I attribute to looking young. But I always use the Josie Maran SPF 47. It says the daily moisturizer. So I've gone through probably like, no joke, probably 15 or plus more bottles of this in my lifetime. And then they also have a tinted version. The tint doesn't really do too much. It just kind of cancels out the white cast that you can get because this is mineral. So I generally use these in the summer. It's SPF 47. And I have moved on to this one now, which is the Sun Milk, which is SPF 33, again by Josie Maran. I love this. This one is a lot lighter than the SPF 47. The consistency of it, maybe I can show you really quickly. I'm wearing it right now. The consistency of it is like really kind of smooth and a little bit watery, but it's just beautiful. I know it has some vitamin C benefits in there. I put on a separate ascorbic acid serum, but to have that extra benefit of vitamin C is amazing. And just to show you how much I love it, when I bought that one bottle, after trying it, I went out and I bought 3 more because I was like, you know what? You can't go wrong with having SPF, right? And these don't expire until 2024. So generally I go through a bottle, I would say probably every 3 months. The last thing, because I've been talking forever, is what I have on my cheeks, which I don't know if you can tell, my cheeks and my lips right now. And this is by Jouer, and it is called, I don't know that you can really see it, the Blush and Bloom Celebrate Cheek and Lip Duo, and mine is in Promise Me and Celebrate Me. I tend to use Promise Me, which is like this really kind of beautiful mauve kind of color, and then Celebrate Me is like a brighter color. I'll show you both. So this is the Celebrate Me, and then that's the Promise Me. I use these both. I use it on my cheeks and my lips, so I have it on my lips right now as well as my cheeks, and they're just super creamy and blendable. I love creams. I tend to only use like a lot of cream products, especially in the winter when my skin is a little bit drier. I don't like to use a powder because it makes me look even drier. So I have a friends and family Sephora haul coming up, but I know that their like Beauty Insider sale will be coming up as well, so I would definitely recommend this one. And I think that is it. I have talked for so long, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I truly appreciate, again, all the love and the support. I will leave the links down below, as well as my discount code for Farfetch somewhere here, as well as in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know, and until I see you in my next video, bye!